Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Utaba channel. Today we are going to draw the ice cream van. So let's get begin. Firstly, I draw the structure of van. I draw the door of the van. Friends, the door have two windows. Yes.
Green.
Now friends, let's come and draw the wheels of the truck. Now friends, it's time to make the cabin of the ice cream.
Pink. Purple.
Now I draw the ice cream.
Blue.
On the van there is a huge ice cream cone.
Orange. Yellow.
Now friends, it's time to color the ice cream van together. I take the lemon color first to color the curtain. Then I take the dark blue. Red. Then I color the mini ice creams. I take light green for the cabin.
Red. Orange.
Then I take orange. Dark pink.
Yellow.
Hickory dickory dock,
And lemon for the windows.
the clocks are run, the mouse are down.
I take olive color for the door.
Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory
Green.
dock, the bird looked at the clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck two.
But a silver nutmeg and a golden pear.
I decided to color the whole van with light blue.
The King of Spain's daughter came to visit me, and all for the sake of my little nut tree.
Friends, you can color it as per your choice.
The dress was made of crimson, jet black was her hair. She asked me for my nutmeg and my golden pear. I said, so fair a princess never did I see.
I color with dark brown. Yellow for the light. Now I take grey color for the front glass. I color the side mirror with red. Light pink. For the first flavor of ice cream, I take light pink. For the second flavor of ice cream, I take purple. I color the wafer with lemon and orange. Now friends, it's time to color the wheels. I take the brown color to color the wheels. Yes, awesome! Our van is almost ready. Now I take the black marker to enhance the outer lines of the van.
I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on
If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.